Sisi kama magavana wa Mount Kenya East na watu wetu wa Mount Kenya East hatuamini kamwe aliyoyasema. Tunajua ya kwamba development imekuwa ikikuja hapa pande yetu. Tumeona mabarabara ikijengwa na national government. Tumeona soko mingi zikijengwa na national government in partnership na county government. Tumeona affordable housing ikijengwa katika kila county pande ya Mount Kenya East. We are waiting to take some action at the party level. Now that he has been called by NCIC, we have thought it right that he's actually dealing with the right institution that is concerned with the kind of statements he came up with. But we should surely be communicating to him shortly on our position as a party with regard to his statements. But we completely, as a party, dissociate ourselves with his sentiment and his statements in Nyeri.
We are a part of one Kenya. We are part of one government, that is national government headed by His Excellency William Samoei Ruto and the 47 county governments of Kenya. Therefore, it is a shame, it is unacceptable that we can even be associated with such remarks, and especially being said to be remarks from Mount Kenya. We want the rest of the Kenya to know the people who live around Mount Kenya are decent people who stand with the rest of the Kenya during this time of mourning. And especially the fact that the person we are mourning has been a uniting factor in Kenya. Raila Odinga has saved us from, has saved this country from going to the dogs on several occasions, not only by conceding defeat, but also agreeing to work with the governments of the day, irrespective of how they conducted ourselves during the election period.